Well, well. We finally meet again.
This old granny needs some big green yadu banana.
That's what I'm all about, sweetie.
Granny, you look like my great-grandfather Big Pot. What's wrong with this? Old wrinkle face and Jamaican boys. You're not my type.
Okay, baby.
Granny, go to play with the mayor ass.
I see that you're doing a great job here.
I need to buy this restaurant.
Really, I can help you with that. But you have to help me back.
Granny, I don't need no old pussycat.
Do you want the place or not? I see that you really want to get a hold of this place, so it's up to you, jellyface.
I heard that you're the teacher doing a great job.
Yes, we are. And the students are learning too.
Anyway, Granny, I have things to do, so a little more.
And think about my offer.
Granny, this town need a garbage truck. Good morning, students. Morning, teacher. Today, we are going to talk about up and down and sound. Can anyone tell me an object that goes up and down? Me, teacher. Yes, nerdy. Your head. Anything else? I see you going up and down with the mayor wife yesterday, teacher. Boy, if I get up. Teacher. She were making sounds like a kitty cat. Get out of my class, nerdy. I like how this look. Looking good. I need to step up the game some more. I think I'm going to change up the menu. Lime. Ira. Bumbo cloth mayor wife. A fuck Pahim Rasta. Ras. The jungle loose. Yes, Lime. Jughead. What's up, bro? Idiot. Tell me. Hear the mayor wife. And the teacher doing a great job. My youth. Good thing that. True. Later, bro.
To be continued.